Good morning, students. Welcome to this online class. Today we are going to discuss workbook exercise 6. Number 1. Translate into English. रामबाबू जने साधु लोक थिले. Number 1. रामबाबू जने साधु लोक थिले. रामबाबू was an honest person. Ram Babu was an honest person. Number B. समाज एक पुराना ओडिया दैनिक खबर कागज दी समाज is a old Odia daily diary is an old Odia daily diary. Number C. से रेडियो रे गीत सुनुथिले. He was listening music in the radio. He was listening song or music. Listening song or music in the radio. Number D. प्रधान शिक्षक श्रेणी परिदर्शन करुथिले. The headmaster was visiting the class. The headmaster was visiting the class. Okay, then number E. Mahanadi Odisha Bodo Nadi. The Mahanadi is the largest river of Odisha. The Mahanadi is the largest river of Odisha. Okay, then number F. से गणित रे सबुठारु भलो. नंबर F. से गणित रे सबुठारु भलो. He is the best at mathematics. He is the best at mathematics. Then number G. आकाश रे तारा माने चिक चिक करुछंती. The stars are glittering in the sky. Number H. गरीब मानकर उन्नति देशर उन्नति. The development of post is the development of country. The development of post is the development of country. development of country. যুক্তরাষ্ট্র আমেরিকা গহম উৎপাদনের পৃথিবীর প্রথম। দি ইউএসএ or USA, United States of America, USA is the highest wheat growing country in the world. Highest wheat growing country or nation in the world. से एक विश्वविद्यालय पढ़ुअछंती. He is learning in a university. He is learning in a university. Okay. Then number 2, use the if necessary. Use the if necessary. This mountain Everest is the highest mountain on the world. The Mount Everest is the highest mountain on world. Number 2, the and then also the Mount Everest is the highest mountain on the world. Number B, days most children like day sweets. Only most children like sweets. Only most children like sweets. We can't use the before most and sweet. Most children like sweets. We cannot use these in the sentence. Number C, their summer of 1996 hot and dry. This summer of 1996 was hot and dry. The summer we can use the before the summer. Number D, our friends Des Millers moved to BBSR last August. Our friends the Millers. Okay. Our number E. Then number E. Our children go to their school by this bus. Our children go to school by bus. We cannot use the in this sentence. Number F. This smog is a problem. Only smog is a problem. We cannot use the before smog. Only smog is a problem. Number G. My grandmother likes these flowers very much. Only my grandmother likes flower very much. We cannot use the before flowers. Then number H. I love these flowers in your garden. I love the flowers in your garden. I love the flowers in your garden. Number I. See you on this Wednesday. See you on Wednesday. Only see you on Wednesday. We cannot use the before the day. Okay? So only see you on Wednesday. I always listen to this radio in the morning. I always listen to radio in the morning. You cannot use the before radio also. Okay. Then number 3, use the if necessary. Number 3 also use the if necessary. Rama goes to work by this. By bus. Not only by bus. We cannot use the before bus. Don't be late for this school. For school. Not the. Number C. Listen. Hari is playing this trumpet. Hari is playing trumpet. Not the. Because we cannot use the before any musical instrument. We often see our cousins over the Easter. Over the Easter. Number B, number E. Number E. She has never been to this Delhi before. Only Delhi before. We cannot use the before any place or any city. What about number F? What about going to Bhubaneswar in this March? In the March. Number G. We visited grandmother in this hospital twice last week. In the hospital twice last week. Number H. Where did you put this color you brought yesterday? Where did you put the color you brought yesterday? Number I. Try to listen this cry of this poor. Try to listen the cry of the poor. Number J. This headmaster is in his office. The headmaster is in his office. Okay, this is all about your exercise 6. Next class we will discuss about your story or prose or poetry, etc. Okay, thank you.